Hey everyone, my name is Rico and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build this video-free TikTok video generator that's really cheap and that can create all of these very viral ASMR TikToks that have been popping off on TikTok lately. And these AI generated TikToks have gained like millions of views. So I'm going to do full breakdown and I'm going to show you can build this one for yourself and let's quickly dive in. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with getting the template from my AI community. Under the resources, you can see video-free AI video generator blueprint. Just hit this and you can see now I can download it. It's going to download it for you. Now you get back to n8n and just hit these three dots on the top right corner and import from file. And now you should be able to see, and you can see video-free TikTok video generator. Just pick this one, hit open, and just like that you can get the template. So first and foremost, I'm gonna hit at the execute workflow. I'm gonna show you how it works, and then I'm gonna show you everything. So I will back if this one finishes. And as you can see, now we just finished with the workflow. So now I'm gonna do full breakdown. As you can see, for the trigger, we are using this schedule trigger. This schedule trigger activates every 12 hours. So we are basically generating a 2 videos per every 24 hours. And you can see for the trigger interval, we are using hours between triggers. This is 12, so it activates every 12 hours. Trigger at minute, this is set for 0. So you can see, let's click more, as you can see, it's gonna basically send out a trigger through the output to this TikTok video idea. Here we're using basic LLM chain. I'm going to show you basic LLM chain. As you can see, you can use this AI agent as well, what I'm using here, but I think the just basic LLM chain makes more sense. You don't need this memory here, all the tools. So in this case, I'm just using this basic LLM chain. So, and inside here, you can see source of prompt is defined below. Prompt user message is idea generation. This is the message what we are basically giving to this basic LLM chain, so it knows what to do. Requires specific output format. This one is turned on as well. This basically allows us to output all the information inside scenes. As you can see, element A, element B, element C, element D, and element E. As you can see, chat message if using chat model. In this case, we are using ChatGPT. Here you can see down here, and a type name will be system and message. I'm going to open this. Here you can see you have a better overview then. You are a smart visual prompt generator for AI video creation. Your job is to create satisfying aesthetic short form videos, ideally shot in daylight with ASMR energy. Each time you are called, randomly select one value from each of the 5 lists. I'm leave all this down below as well, so you can just copy everything. And down here you can see the chat model and this output parser. This basically allows us to output all the information in these tables. So you can see on the right side on the output. I'm going to quickly show the tables as well. As you can see, scene 0, scene 1, and scene 2. I'm going to open up this. And you can see inside here we have this long code. I'm going to leave this code down below as well, so you can just copy everything. So let's quickly move on. Here you can see. And the next node is this table output. Inside here, we're going to basically take all the information from the left side or the input, and we're going to basically create this table so we can feed everything to this next node with a prompt generator. I'm going to leave this table output node down below as well, so you can just copy this for me. As you can see, video prompt generation, and inside this AI agent, we are basically generating 3 different output prompts. So you can see TikTok video prompt, TikTok video prompt, and TikTok video prompt, because we are generating 3 different videos. Each of these videos are 8 seconds long, so in the total, the TikTok will be 24 seconds long. And on the left side, you can see this is the input, what we're getting from the table output. I'm going to quickly change this to table so we have a better overview. Here you can see plate, knife, and cutter. All these are different because we want to create, essentially, we want to create 3 different videos. For the source for prompt will be defined below. Prompt user message will be prompt generation because we want to generate the prompt for the videos. Requires specific output format. This one is turned on. And yes, we are using this output parser as well. I'm going to show you this later as well. I'm going to open up this system message. You are a precision prompt generator for realistic fisheye AI video scenes. Each time you are called, you will receive 5 dynamic inputs: instrument, juicy, material, and object, and surface. These are all pulled from the previous node. You can see from the code node, element A, element B, element C, and element D, and element E. Your task is to conduct a vivid and visually rich video prompt for generating short ASMR clips. So as you can see, I'm going to leave this code down below as well. If you need it, you can copy this from me. And you can see here's the output parser as well. And inside here, we're going to basically adding a video prompt. Here you can see TikTok video prompt. This basically allows us to add this text here, this TikTok video prompt, example prompt here. Here you can see here's the example prompt what we are using. You can see, let's quickly move on. And then we are actually generating the video itself. Here you can see, in this case, we are using this Kia AI. For the method, we are using this post because this basically allows us to post a request to this URL. Here you can see, here's the URL as well. For the authentication, I'm using this cherry credential type, header off, and Kia API. I'm going to show you as well how you can get this API. You can see, navigate to kia.ai. If you don't have an account, just create one. It's completely free. I'm going to open up the VO3 API, VO3 playground. Here you can see on the left side, you can see a dashboard, playground, API key logs, billings, everything is here, documentations. I'm going to leave the documentation sample as well if you need some help. Everything is inside documentations. And on the left side, you can see API key. Just pick this one and create API key. Just put your API key name. I'm going to put n8n test, create, and copy this API key. And then navigate back to n8n and just create new credential. Here you can see create new credential. For the name, just put authorization, and in the value goes your API key. As you can see here, let's go API key and hit save. So I have my account already connected, so I'm going to close. And you can see, now let's quickly move on. Turn the send body on as well. Body content type will be JSON, specify body will be using fields below. Name will be prompt because we want to send a prompt. And you can see here's the prompt what we drag from the previous node. I'm going to open up this schema, and you can see just drag this prompt inside this box, and we're good to go. And for the model, we are using this VO3 fast because this is very cheap and it's much cheaper than the VO3 with the high quality. So just pick this VO3 fast. It's very cheap. As you can see, let's quickly close this. And this one is going to basically generating us the video, and it will take some time. I tried the 5-minute timer. I think it's not enough, so I changed it to 6 minutes. I recommend using the 6 minutes. This should be minimum, I think. And let's quickly move on. Once we have waited for 6 minutes, we can actually get information about the created videos. So I'm going to open up this get results. And you can see for method we're using this get. This basically allows us to get information from this website. Down here you can see kiai.id.ai/API/v1/vo/record information. And for the authentication, just connect your same API or the credentials what you created before. Send query parameters is turned on because we want to get information about the task ID. Here you can see task ID, and this task ID, this specific ID is tracked from the previous 6-minute node. Here you can see data and task ID, just drag it inside here and you're good to go. And once we have added this task ID, this basically allows us to get information about the videos what we created before. You can see task ID and all the information about the videos. And you can see in total we have here 3 videos. So let's quickly close this and let's move on. And then we are basically finding all the existing URLs. So here you can see we have a total of 3 videos. So we need the actual URLs for all of these 3 videos, so we can actually later combine them into one video. Here you can see we have this task ID here. And now we have to add our person ID here and this temp file AI quick draws. So we can actually get the URL where the video is. You can see here we have this code. I'm going to leave this code down below so you can just copy all this from me. Let's quickly move on. And then we're going to basically using this file AI to combine everything into one video. You can see I'm going to show you as well how you can create the file AI API. As you can see actually, for a method we're using this post, so we can post a request to file AI to create to combine the videos together. Here you can see, and here we have this header off as well, file AI API key. I'm going to show you as well how you can create it. So open up this, here you can see create new credential, and you can see now we need this name here and this value. The name will be authorization, and for the value we need this API key here, but actually I'm going to change it to expression so I can show you. Make sure to add a key in the beginning as well, hit space and then navigate to file AI. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard right now. Navigate to API keys and just create a new API key, so add key, and you can just name your API key and then hit this create key. So I'm going to put n8n test1 and I'm going to hit create key, and you can see just copy your key, navigate back to n8n and just paste it after this space here. Make sure you have only one spacing here. So you can see, and then hit save, but in this case I have an account already, so I don't have to do it. And then we want to send, we want to turn on this sender as well. because in some cases it's not working if you just add the header off. So I have added these senders as well. You can see it's basically the same. Name will be authorization, and here is the value. This will be the key and your API key. As you can see, let's move on. And then we have this send body because we want to send information along with the URL. Here you can see specify body will be using JSON. I'm going to open this, and you can see tracks, URL, and here are all the free videos, 1, 2, and 3. All these videos are 8 seconds long, 8 and 8. Now let's quickly move on. Here you can see. Then we're gonna basically wait 30 seconds to combine all the videos together, and then we have this whole video. Here you can see a method will be get, so we can get information about the video, what we created. Here you can see q.fal.run/fal.ai/fmbeg dash API /requests/ and your video's ID. So you can see, and for the authentication, just picture fal AI's authentication for the header off. And on the right side, you can see a video URL and the thumbnail URL. And then we're going to basically output everything to this Google Sheets. I'm going to show you as well the Google Sheets, as you can see. And here we have all the videos what we created before with the thumbnail URL. So you can see I'm going to open up the latest video what we created. Here you can see I'm going to download it and open. Here's the video. Looks pretty good, not gonna lie. So in this case, I'm gonna quickly close this, and you can see now we have this video thumbnail URL as well. And by the way, in the next video, I'm gonna show you how you can also post all the videos as well using Potato to TikTok, Instagram, and so on and so on. So you don't have to do anything. And by the way, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna leave all the different system messages for creating different videos for, like, for example, Yeti videos, glass cutting, ASMR videos, and so on inside my AI community. So make sure to check it out. And I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And yeah, see you in the next one.